I have something here.
What do you have there?
I have a new bag.
Nice tape job.
I have
Quality tape job, Jim.
Awa.
When you have 17 points and you're 6%, you know when you have a feeling out of the ball. I know what you'd be saying if you were sitting over pop soup. That's big.
Come.
To hit his first 2 shots.
Why are you smiling?
Because I have to go under the building. On top the river. And go to down low and fall in the water. And swim and sleeper will be wet.
Your slipper will be what?
Wet.
Why?
Because I want to go under the river.
Can you show me? Come here.
Like, oh, get wet from the river. Get wet from the water and go to the river.